Ever wash your car and still see spots, streaks, or dirt stuck on? That's because most people rush the process or use the wrong tools. According to popular car care experts, improper washing can actually scratch your paint. The solution? Start with a pre-rinse to loosen dirt before you even touch the paint. Use a gentle spray of water from top to bottom. This way, you're not grinding dirt into your clear coat. Next up, we'll talk about the secret weapon every pro uses before they even start scrubbing. A big mistake car owners make is skipping the foam stage. Car detailing pros use a foam cannon or foam gun to cover the car in soapy bubbles before washing. Studies show that pre-foam helps lift dirt, making it easier to rinse off without scratching. You don't need expensive gear. An affordable foam gun attached to a garden hose works great. Let the foam sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Coming up, I'll share the safest way to actually touch your car when washing. Here's the golden rule, buddy. Never use just one bucket. The two-bucket method is what keeps pros from scratching paint. One bucket is for soapy water, the other is for rinsing your wash mitt. This prevents dirt from going back onto the car. Use a microfiber wash mitt, not an old sponge. Microfiber traps dirt better and reduces swirl marks. Remember, your car is an investment. Treat it like one. Next, let's see how to clean tricky areas most people forget. Wheel wells, door jambs, and under the gas cap. These are dirt magnets most people ignore. Car care experts say neglecting these spots can cause rust over time. Use a small detailing brush and mild cleaner to get in those tight spaces. This not only makes the car look better, but also protects against long-term damage. In the next part, we'll cover the best way to rinse without leaving hard water spots. Water spots are a detailer's nightmare. They happen when minerals in water dry on your paint. To avoid them, rinse the car with a gentle, steady flow instead of blasting it. This sheeting method helps water slide off more easily. If possible, use filtered water for the final rinse. This step will save you a lot of polishing later. Next, we'll move into drying techniques that make your car shine without scratches. Drying is where many people ruin their hard work. Using an old towel or letting the car air dry can cause swirl marks. Use a clean, plush microfiber drying towel and blot. Don't rub. Work from top to bottom, flipping the towel to a dry side often. This keeps the surface safe and streak-free. You've come this far, keep that shine alive. In the next section, we start preparing for waxing. Before waxing, you need a truly clean surface. That's where a clay bar comes in. It removes embedded contaminants that washing can't. According to detailing guides, even new cars benefit from clay barring. Lubricate the surface with detailing spray, then gently glide the clay. You'll feel it get smoother with each pass. Next up, we'll talk about choosing the right wax for your ride. Not all waxes are the same. Carnauba wax gives a deep, warm shine but lasts shorter. Synthetic wax lasts longer and offers better protection. Choose based on your needs. If you want showroom gloss for a weekend, go Carnauba. For a daily driver, synthetic might be best. In the next part, I'll share the step-by-step method to apply wax like a pro. Waxing isn't about slathering it on thick. Use a foam applicator pad and apply a thin, even layer in small sections. Too much wax wastes product and makes buffing harder. Work in straight lines, not circles, to avoid creating swirl patterns. Let it haze, then buff with a clean microfiber towel. Keep going and your car will look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Now let's talk about detailing the finishing touches. The little things make a huge difference. Dress your tires with a non-greasy tire shine for that fresh look. Clean your windows with a glass cleaner designed for cars, avoiding ammonia-based products. Wipe down interior door panels while you're at it. It's these final touches that separate a decent job from a professional result. In the next segment, I'll give you a secret tip pros use to make paint pop even more. Here's a pro tip. After waxing, use a quick detail spray to add depth and remove any leftover residue. Spray lightly and buff with a microfiber cloth. This boosts shine and gives extra slickness to the surface. It's quick, easy, and makes the finish feel buttery smooth. Next, let's cover how often you should wash and wax to keep your car looking great year-round. Most pros recommend washing your car every 1 to 2 weeks and waxing every 3 to 4 months. If your car is often parked outside, you may need to wax more often. Regular maintenance keeps dirt from bonding to the paint and extends protection. Remember, consistency beats perfection. You don't need to detail every day, just keep a steady schedule. In the next part, I'll talk about common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, washing in direct sunlight. The heat causes water and soap to dry too quickly, leaving spots. Mistake 2, using dish soap. It strips wax and dries out paint. Always stick to pH-balanced car shampoos. And mistake 3, using dirty rags. Always wash and store your microfiber towels properly. Avoid these and you're halfway to pro status. Coming up, I'll share budget-friendly hacks for beginners. You don't need fancy equipment to get pro results. A garden hose with a spray nozzle, a couple of good microfiber towels, and quality car shampoo are enough. You can even make a simple foam gun setup for under $20. The real magic comes from technique, not tools. In the next segment, I'll explain how to maintain that just waxed look without re-waxing too often. Between wax jobs, use a spray wax or sealant after washes. This refreshes the shine and adds light protection. It takes just a few extra minutes and keeps your paint looking freshly detailed. Think of it as topping up your car's armor. Next, let's talk about the benefits of waxing beyond just looking pretty. Waxing isn't just for looks. It protects your paint from UV rays, rain, bird droppings, and road grime. It creates a barrier that makes cleaning easier next time. Over the long term, this protection can keep your car's value higher. In the next segment, we'll look at how washing and waxing can actually save you money. A well-maintained exterior means less need for costly paint correction or resprays. Plus, you'll use less cleaning product each time since dirt won't stick as much. Think of it like preventative care for your car. Small effort now, big savings later. In the next part, I'll share how washing your car can be a great weekend habit. Car washing can be relaxing. Put on some music, take your time, and enjoy the process. It's also a great way to bond with family or friends. Turning it into a habit not only keeps your car in top shape, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment every time. Coming up, let's recap the key points you need to remember. Quick recap: pre-rinse, foam, 2-bucket method, clean hidden spots, rinse carefully, dry with microfiber, clay bar before waxing, choose the right wax, apply thin layers, and finish with details. Keep a regular schedule and avoid common mistakes. With these steps, you're already way ahead of the average car owner. Now, let's wrap this up. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, share, and comment with your own car washing tips or experiences. Your input might help someone else take better care of their ride. Disclaimer: consult with professionals if your vehicle has special paint or coating requirements. Now grab your gear and give your car the shine it deserves.